Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. So today I am going to share with you another what's in my bag video. So yes, I know I probably not being so active on this channel at all, but I am trying to be more active on the channel. I've just been so busy, so bear with me. But yes, so today I'm gonna share with you another what's in my bag video. This is probably my favorite video to watch, so yes. And if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Sujeta, aka Soji. Welcome to my channel. And then yeah, and like as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it, whatever you need it to do. So yes, let's just get started. So the bag that I have to share with you today is this Gucci. This is the Super Mini Marmont, or Marmont Super Mini, the correct name for it. So yes, in the color black and then with gold hardware. Yeah, I mean, I kind of explained, if you watch my previous video of what I got for Christmas, I can't explain why I got this size instead. So the size that I initially wanted was the mini size. I thought, you know, probably a perfect size for me, but I actually have like similar size of bag already, and I kind of want something that will fit what I need and like small. Like, well, I already have small bag anyway, but this is kind of like what I really need. And plus it's like, you know, it's a good price point for Gucci, and you can wear this multiple ways, and it's pretty practical for what I need as well. So I don't really carry a lot of things anyway, so why have a bigger bag when I don't really need to carry a bunch of things with me? So that's why I got this size. Anyway, so let's just get started inside. It's pretty full, so alright, so this is the view inside from my bag. And a lot of time I just do like a quick cross like this to wear like a crossbody, just because like the length of the chain is a bit long for me, and I kind of like a little higher, but yes, that's why. And I do that a lot in my bag just because I don't want to knot it. You know, if you can do it with the chain, just make it work, because I am not a tall person. So yes, so yeah. And then as you can see inside, I kind of keep my bag in a pouch, or organize my bag with like pouches, just because I like everything to be organized, and it's also gonna help you, you know, preventing from get your bag, like inside your bag, dirty. Because if it's get dirty or anything like spill or anything, it's get in the pouch, so it won't get into the bag. And that's how I kind of keep my inside of the bag is pretty clean. So let me just pull it out. And funny fact, I didn't know that this pouch like would fit perfectly in the bag, because it's kind of like, it's just like it's made for the bag, you know. I got this pouch, it was like a, you know, like a Christmas like gift approach, like gift set or something like that. Like I believe I got it last year, because it had one lipstick that I want, but then it also had like come with like glossy lipstick as well, which I don't really use. But yes, that's how I got this pouch. And you know what I like about like holiday or like any like beauty products during like their special event or anything, they always have some cute like packaging and like gift for purchase stuff. That's what I really love. So, and anything cute definitely got me. Like, you know, anything, you got me. Anything cute. Anyway, so yeah, I like to keep everything in a pouch. Inside my pouch I have some cash. I don't know about you guys, but I always kind of have like some sort of like cash with me, or like at least like 20 bucks or under or more, just in case. Like nothing over 100 really, but I don't know, I just always carry cash with me, just because I don't want to put like $1.50 or less than $5, you know, like, or on my card. I don't know why, but did you guys do the same? Because I feel like I'm really old-fashioned with that, and I know like even like, you know, people I know, they kind of like, do just put on your card. Like, no, it's fine, you know. I would like take out my cash and pay for it. It like, I don't know, I don't know, yeah, I just like how to have cash on my, you know, like like a backup plan or something like that. So yeah, and then I got like a receipt. Oh, this is Nordstrom receipt, and then I got lipstick. This is my favorite lipstick right now. It's a Saint Laurent. It's a YSL, you know, lipstick. This is what color is it? It's kind of blurry. It's kind of blurred out. 6 I want to say. This is the color I'm wearing right now, so it's kind of like have a little pink tone to it, but it's really subtle. So yes, and then of course I have some chocolate. I always, every time when I go to like, you know, like E-bar at like a Nordstrom E-bar, I always get like a piece of chocolate or something. Like, I don't know, it just fit perfectly into my bag, and when I need it, like a little, you know, sweetness, I got it covered. So yeah, I'll probably eat it later. Blocking sheet, you know, I hardly ever use this, but I always try to have it with me because sometimes when I get shiny, you know, homegirl have to block it out because it's not cute. So yes, Sunny Eve, tampon. Oh, I got Band-Aid. Always prepare, because one time I got cut, well, like paper cut, but it was like really bad one. I was just like, shoot. And I was at work and I didn't want to go like up to like, you know, like the main office to get like Band-Aid. It's just a long process, and I was like, you know, I should carry one with me. And then since that day I always try to carry one with me just in case the worst case scenario happen. So yeah. I always want to be safe. So I got a medicine. This is an allergy medicine. Okay, mascara. I don't even know I have this in here. This is the Dior Show mascara. I hardly ever use this. I got this as some sort of gift, or yeah, like a gift for purchase or something like that. Yeah, I tried like a couple times. It's cool, but I don't know, I have no thought on it, so I just, you know, use it when I need it, if I forget to put my mascara on or something like that. Eye drop, and you guys know me with my Asian oil, menthol, whatever. It's like a lifesaver for me, guys. It's like a must-have for me, because I recently traveled outside of the country, and when I feel like really, you know, lightheaded and or just doesn't feel well, I just rub it on my head or smell it or something. It definitely helped me. And then two last thing, I got a Tylenol and then a chapstick. So that's what inside. So it's actually fit quite a lot for what I need. So yeah. And then another snack. This is the Kit Kat. I got it from Japan. So funny story, I feel like such an idiot with this, because when I first saw it in the store, I was like, oh my gosh, I want to try this because the state doesn't have it. And then they also have like a Sakura Kit Kat as well, which I tried. It's actually pretty good. This one I thought it was taro, and I was like, oh, I want to try it, you know. I mean, I'm not a big fan of taro or anything, but I can, like in certain food or dessert or anything with taro, I do enjoy eating it. So then I bought it and then opened up the package and start eating it. I was like, it doesn't taste like anything like taro. And I was like, okay, what is it? And I was like, it has to be taro, it looked like taro. But then I look at the package, it says, you know, purple sweet potatoes, and I was like, oh. I felt like so stupid, because I was like, what an idiot. You don't read, just assume. So yeah, I mean, when I was in Japan, everywhere was just like Sakura everything. It's just overwhelming with Sakura. I'm the type of person who just don't barely read anything. I just like assume, oh yeah, I look like, you know, the type that will do that. But she, I don't know, some sort of like Asian dessert, I just kind of assume because it looked like one of the fruit that I'm familiar with, but actually it's not. But I mean, purple sweet potato is actually good too, but this is good. If you guys visit, you know, Japan or anything, grab a few of this. It's actually really good, although it's like quite a bit expensive from what I think, but yeah, but it's worth it. And then I got my card holder. You guys, this is you know, nothing new for you guys. This is just my all-time favorite, you know, card holder by Saint Laurent. So and then this is the inside. So as you can tell, I actually kept it pretty clean. And then right here it have this like key attachment, which I don't really use. I think it just take too much space. It's right here. And then, you know, if for those who are actually using this, you can actually attach like your key or anything like that. And honestly, for my key and my phone, I don't really put my key inside my bag, just because I just put it in, like put it in the pocket, like in my pocket or something, because a lot of times I just wear like you know, clothing with like pockets and stuff like that. And especially in my phone too, if I need to put my phone in my bag, I just kind of clear out a few things I don't really need and then just make it fit if I really need to. But I mean, if you want, it does fit your phone. And I have like an iPhone XS, so it does fit. So, and it fits your key too. If you have like a big card key, it's definitely gonna fit. But honestly guys, I don't really put those stuff in my bag, just because my card key, I have this like a metal keychain, and it's not a good idea to have it because it scratched my bag. So I kind of like still put it in my bag, unless I carry a bigger bag or anything, I just tie it in there. But with this particular one, I don't really put, I just put in my pocket. But yes, and then this, you probably see a lot of video that you can, like people showing you how to wear this. Like I said, this is pretty long for me if I just do like a one, you know, like length. I'm super petite, so I just wear like a crossbody, like a normal crossbody. And then for my height, I prefer like these to be the chain kind of cross over to make it shorter for me. So then it's kind of have the length, it's kind of hit over my hip or a little higher. So that's how I like it, just like that. And then I see people wear it kind of like double the chain, and then they can wear it like higher, like a fanny pack like this, put around your waist. I do fit this. I'm pretty small, like I could just wrap it around. I've done it before, wrap it around my waist and then just wear it. But honestly, I have a different fanny pack that I usually do, and bell bag. I love the style, but I just don't think it's practical for me, and I always look funny in it too. So I mean, it is practical actually, I take that back, but I just don't look, I don't like how it's styled on me. Maybe I'm just not really comfortable with it. But all in all, it's a great bag. So if you guys ever, I mean, if you guys want to purchase like your, you know, like first Gucci or anything like that, I do recommend this one. And then the Soho camera bag, that one is like the ultimate favorite of everyone that I talk to who want like a something casual but yet, you know, practical for their daily life. So yes, and that's probably include what is in my bag, guys. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, you know, comment down below. Yeah, I don't really have anything else to share with you besides this little guy over here, because this is my babies. I pretty much wear this every day. Oh, one thing I wanted to mention though, the change, it will kind of like change color over time. Maybe it's just me because I wear it all the time. I meant to kind of like go into the Gucci store, or like call the Gucci boutique or something like that, to see if this actually changing color. I feel like it's changing color, but at the same time maybe it's just the look of the chain, because it's more of like not a vintage kind of gold. I guess you can call it vintage, but more like a brassy gold. So yes, but yeah, I mean, all in all, it's a great bag. And I know a lot of people don't like a little heart in the bag, but I do love it. I think it's such a cute little, you know, detail in the bag. But come on now, it's in the bag, nobody can see it. But yeah, I do like the new logo, of course, Gigi. But all in all, it's a great bag, so I definitely recommend it. And yes, so this is it from what I, you know, share with you. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.